Have you ever wanted to be able to see your entire Minecraft server from Google Maps? Today we'll be looking at a plugin to do just that. Today we're looking at Dynmap, a plugin that enables you to view your entire server from a Google Maps-like web page. If you need a server, look down below in the description for a list of recommended server hosts, or watch my video on Best Minecraft Server Hosts in 2020 here. Let's get started. To install Dynmap, download the plugin from the link below and drop the jar file into the plugins folder on your Spigot server. Most likely the default port for Dynmap will be in use, so after restarting the server, we'll see a text file labeled configuration.txt. We will need to edit this and change web server-port to an open port. You'll need to contact your server host to find out what ports are open for you to use. After you successfully changed web server-port to an open port on your server, you'll need to restart the server. After the server is restarted, we'll be able to navigate to your server IP, and then the port you just changed, to see a Google Maps-like world view. If you're unable to see your world map, you may need to restart your server again, or jump in-game and run /dynmap full render. You now have successfully installed Dynmap, and you can keep an eye on your server and see what other players are building. If you enjoyed this video, please consider subscribing and sharing this video on social media. You can also check out the video on the left if you're looking for the best Minecraft server host in 2020, or the video on the right if you want to learn how to set up your very own Minecraft server. God bless.